OVDRA How to Verify Your Membership Status tutorial. You will log in using your sign-in credentials. Username and password is indicated by my mouse here. Click Sign In. What you will see next is the My Profile page. Your name should be listed at the top. Or the page you could be taken straight to is the Manage Profile page. This particular account, the membership has not been renewed just yet, so that's why you're seeing the Renew Your Membership Now link. To check your membership status, you can click and view your membership card. Once selected, you'll be prompted with a print page that shows your membership status listed on your membership card and when it expires. Again, this particular account has not been renewed for 2026 and shows an expiration date of December 31st, 2025. Under Invoicing, Payments, and History, you can also select Membership. This is where you can view your membership and possibly process a renewal as well. Again, this particular account has not been renewed for 2026 and still has membership current through 12/31/2025, and it can be renewed by also clicking this link here. At the very top, your membership information should say your name, last name, and then your current membership status. And you also can print your membership card from here, which will also prompt you with a print page for your membership ID card. If you are not seeing your membership status, please contact the International Office and we can further assist you in verifying your membership status. Thank you.